Hello friends, Tanya here with a product close-up video, this time featuring Big Celebrate Cut and Foil Set. This is a new product for Trinity. We have a foiling plate that is the word, and then we have the bubble cut that will fit around the foil plate, and a word die that will cut the word independently. And the bubble cut fits around both. And surprise, the word die will cut out your foiled word also. How awesome is that? Let's start out talking about how to do foiling. I have my Glimmer platform here, Glimmer Hot Foil System. I'm going to engage the platform in the base and turn it on. And that red light tells me that it's heating up, and the green light below it tells me that the platform is hot and ready to go. I'm using the hinge method and securing the foiled plate where I want it. I'm taking a piece of foil that I've trimmed down to fit the paper, and I'm putting that pretty side up under the foil plate, and then I'm going to flip the whole thing over and put it down, plate side down on the platform. Set my timer. When the timer is up, I run it through my die cut machine, and then I can peel back the paper and I have a beautiful foiled word. Here are a few other examples. I've got several that are die cut with different materials from the word die, and I have different bubble cuts here. I've got a black on white and a white on black, and I've got a gold foil on vellum. Very cool. You can use this with glitter paper, specialty paper, plain paper, and here's how they look on this beautiful rainbow pattern paper from the Slimline Rainbow kit or set of papers. You can see how beautiful they look even without the bubble cut behind them, but the bubble cut just really makes them pop off of your project. Either way, they look amazing. I really love this font and the thickness of the letters. Here we've got a foiled and bubble cut and a metallic foil word die and vellum. Here is a foiled letter that did not, or foiled word that didn't foil perfectly, and that was partly because I didn't have the right sandwich. This was from my experimenting, and you know what? I think it turns into a gorgeous word when you die cut the foiled word with the word die. How amazing. Here are several samples by the design team, and I hope you have fallen in love with cut and foil system yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please take a moment and do that now. And if you're interested in this particular product, check the description box below where there will be a link for the product. Until next time, bye-bye.